One choice, one planet, one home. Earth is the only world we know that cradles life. Its forests breathe for us. Its oceans carry our stories. Its soil builds our future. But now, our earth is in need of help. Its silence is louder. Yet hope still lives in every actions we do, in every choices we make, in every plastics we refuse, in every tree we build. In this Earth Day, let's protect it, let's restore it, let's honor it. Because a healthy earth is a healthy future, and the future begins with us.
On this bright and gloomy Earth Day, let pause and hear what the nature may say. The whispering wind, the flowing stream, the mountain that echoes our every dream.
She created seeds and makes them grow, turn winter's frost to springtime's snow. She feeds the fields, the wood, the sea. A world of gifts for you and me. Yet, look around, what do we see? A planet crying silently. Forests fall and rivers dry, and smoke now fills the blue sky.
O humans, once so wise and kind, why to leave your mother earth behind? She gives us life, yet we take it more. We drain her heart, scar her core.
So let us promise on this day to walk a gentler, greener way, to plant, protect, preserve and praise, to live with love through.
What about sunrise? What about rain? What about all the things that you said we were to gain? What about killing fields? Is there a time? What about all the things that you said was yours and mine? Did you ever stop to notice all the blood we've shed before?